Welcome back. We are now back in the aircraft and taxiing out at Rovaniemi to line up on runway 03 and continue our journey south in Finland. Now at the hold point and ready for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, 03. Let's have a look at the progress to date. 2,651 miles. And our route heading south down to an airfield called Slovinka. About 197 miles. We have chosen to fly slightly out to sea for this part of the journey, as it avoids airspace at Oulu. It also means that we get smoother air over the water, as the day is beginning to get quite thermic. Now arriving at Loviisa. It's a small airport and it's showing that fuel is available, so we'll get filled up quickly and get back en route. Once again, look at the progress, 2,852 miles, and our next leg down to Menkijärvi, just a short one this, 85 miles, just over an hour. And here we are arriving overhead at Menkijärvi. It's now a very thermic day. We're getting chucked around quite a bit. Let's see if we can put this one down cleanly. Eh?
Pretty much got a westerly wind. Well, it's sort of swinging around a bit actually. As we go further south, it will come against us. There's a little bit of thunder building up out there, but that's to the right of us. Look, we're coming down that grey strip there.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's more inland then.
So yeah, that'll miss
kind
us.
of adds up, doesn't it?
It's coming north, so we depends where we end up tomorrow. Hold on. If we can get over there, there's nothing below that.
No.
No. Ooh, there is. Oh, you bugger! Friday, there's a lot building.
What, down where we went?
Well, all the way north of us and slightly south. By midday, there's a few bits and blows bashing.
What's tomorrow?
Thursday, isn't it? I think. Yeah. That's by 5 o'clock Friday. So really, we need to be
well south.
We need to be well south of that by then. I mean, that's 2 days. So. Ooh, there's some nasty ones building up this area.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Karuna airport food.
Karuna airport.
That's where we last had it. And you brewed it up.
Yeah, that's true, didn't I? Yeah. That was in civilised surroundings, in the kitchen.
I've got to slow it down a bit. Let
Yeah.
it simmer for a bit.
Yeah. I've got mine on the old simmer setting. Ah. And while that's simmering, we need to decide where we're going next. We stick pretty close to the western coast. We should be good.
Yeah. And that's the nicest thing to do as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Saying a jockey, that was one that we were going to go into.
Was it?
Yeah, that was on the list, I'm sure it was. So, do we... well, I don't know, it's a longer route, isn't it? Depends what the weather's doing. We could go round by the... what's it? By the coast. It'd be much quicker. Well, give me some idea. That little route there that we've just done is 1 hour and a minute. So we're looking at probably, if we went straight down to that coastline there, 2 hours tops to get us down to the bottom of Finland.
Yeah. Right.
Tomorrow.
Easy.
So that'll be the first stint, won't it?
Yeah. Do you think we dare file a flight plan before we leave here?
Well, it wouldn't
Because
probably.
we've then got another long stint to overfly Estonia.
Yes, I think you're probably right. I think we need to get fuel. Was it down near Helsinki somewhere?
North of Helsinki.
Did they say about that one, or was that one that
Yeah,
we'd
that's the
planned?
one they recommended.
Can you remember what it was called?
I don't know, but if you look at Helsinki, it was just north of it.
Helsinki. Where's Helsinki? Is that it? Helsinki.
Northeast of Helsinki.
We've got Hyvinka, Saariko. Well, that's pretty much north, so it's northeast of there. Mansala.
Oh yeah.
Let's. I think if we get.
Hyvinka.
Where?
Hyvinka.
Hyvinka.
So that's
I can see
Helsinki
that
there.
somewhere.
Just here for all them strange looking.
Hyvinka. It's got danger areas all round.
Yeah.
Okay. What does it say? Okay, and they recommended that one. Has it got fuel? Doesn't say here.
Yeah.
Has it?
Yeah, so they said.
So there's no data on here at all. So straight from here to Hyvinka then. Create route. Hour and 51 minutes.
Down to there?
Yeah.
Well, that's well doable. And then how long is it from there to
Right,
Latvia?
let me save that route. Because I didn't last time and I couldn't find it. So then we've got to go from, let's create route again, go from, now where are we going next though? Have we got something in mind? So we're going to overfly Estonia, aren't we?
Mm.
It's naffing Latvia at the minute. Look at that there. See, we'll have to keep an eye on that because it was over that coast somewhere, wasn't it, where we were going to go? I think. Was it mid Latvia or something? Riga, was it Riga?
That's the main capital, isn't it?
Right, weren't there then. We need something a bit smaller than that. Berzal. Information. Pilot notes. Nobody's written any pilot notes. Doesn't say anything about fuel or anything. Whereabouts is that in relation to where we want to go? Oh, that's actually in Lithuania. So we've got to land in Latvia, haven't we? Yeah, it looks like we might be landing in Latvia.
That's what we were planning.
Yes.
Over Estonia, into Latvia,
Yes.
over Lithuania.
We'll just turn the weather off a minute so I can see the layout. Yeah, Riga's over there. But there is another one in their airspace area. Mogas 185 a litre. Oh, that was last year. Credit cards accepted. Fuel
Cheaper,
station. Fuel station 100 metres near airport. Mogas. Don't forget to fill a PPR request. Okay, we'll have a bit.
Okay, so progress so far 2,945 miles. We've had a big day, 517 miles today. What an interesting little ex-military airport this is. There's a MiG fighter sat up in the corner of the airfield. make some interesting viewing. Lovely place, nestled in among the trees. We set up a lovely camp. We sat planning all evening, working out how we were going to continue our journey. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.